Hello my money makers. While you are busy struggling with your own YouTube niche, or struggling on how to grow on YouTube, or struggling with the type of niche you can start with, someone out there just posted few videos and has gotten millions of views just with few posts. Now take a look at this channel. Now this channel is into 3D documentary, whereby it documents all the things that happened in the past. Now one thing about this channel is that they used to jump on trends, and trends really help this channel to grow fast. Trends, I mean current news that is trending. So they try to bring out stories about it using 3D animations. You might be thinking that creating such video will be very hard. No, it is not. Now with AI, you can do everything very fast and very simple. And you know one good aspect of it? It is one of the niche that YouTube still approves for their monetization. If you want to join the YPP, the YouTube Partnership Program, and you are into this particular niche, documentary, of course your YouTube channel is secured. You don't have any issue. So without wasting your time, if you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm a digital entrepreneur teaching you how to make money using AI, especially in content creation. So why not go ahead and smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification button. So in this video, I'm going to teach you 3 most important things that can help you get monetized within 3 months of posting this particular video. Listen attentively and follow me gradually. Let's go. First, we need to think the topic that we want to make video on. Now when you are choosing your topic, please choose documentary topics that are very hot, very unique, and have some kind of curiosity that can keep people engaged on your channel. You can also go for trending topics. Now for example, when the Trump topic was all over the news, all over the places, now this channel have to jump into it. If you are among the first people that jumped into it, you are sure of having subscribers and views very well. Now if you still don't understand what you should do, we can also use ChatGPT. Now just go to your ChatGPT, type this, analyze these channels. Now you need to screenshot those people's channel, or you copy their link and drop here. So we're going to go with screenshotting their channels. So go back to your YouTube. This is Imperial. You go ahead and screenshot it. And this is Atrium. I'm going to screenshot it as well. Now this will help us to get our topics. You know, I talked about getting a trending topic or going with hot news. Do you understand? That can make people to be very curious and make them to engage on your video. The key point here is for people to engage on your video. All right. So let's go back to ChatGPT and bring those images. Go to images and get the images here. So this is it. I said analyze these channels and hit on generate. ChatGPT is going to do the job for us and tell us the topic we are to be handling if we are running this kind of channel. This is one of the ways to become more successful on this YouTube journey. Okay, now ChatGPT has done the job analyzing both the niche, the thumbnail style, their titles, why they are selling and everything. Now their performance metrics, their viral videos and all that. And then ChatGPT also explained their topics, their title, what they do on their videos and why it is giving them views. You can see it here. Now we are going to go further to tell ChatGPT to give us ideas going with the viral videos of this channel. Like I said, don't build your channel with your own knowledge. Please go with what people are doing, okay? From there, drag your ideas from there. Now, this is it. This is the prompt that we are going to drop here. You will have access to this prompt on my WhatsApp channel or on my Telegram channel. Do well to join. I want you to write viral ideas that are true stories based on these videos that went viral on these 2 channels. Now, hit generate. ChatGPT will give you 10 viral ideas. And from here, you can generate as many ideas as you want. All right. Now, I'm going to pick one of these topic here. The $1 billion drone tunnel beneath the US border. So I'm going to pick it and our topic has been gotten. The next thing is getting our full script. We need a very captivating script that can hold our audience from the beginning of our video to the end of our video. This is the key why YouTube will push out your videos. Now go to my Google Docs. You have access to the prompt. Listen, I'm giving out this prompt for free, and the best thing you can do for me is to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a positive comment for me in the comment section. Thank you. So you're gonna paste that particular prompt here and insert the title or the topic you want to develop. You will insert it here. that place I said insert your topic. Go ahead and insert it. Now go down here and copy that number 9 that we want to talk about. So copy it this way, then head over to that place and paste it just like this. After dropping the title, you hit generate. It will start generating it. You guys, why most people struggle on YouTube is their scripts. I do say it, your scripts will mar your YouTube channel. If your script looks like AI, it won't excel. Try to personalize it, okay? Now just like that, our script is ready. And if you notice that your own is short, please tell ChatGPT to keep writing, to keep giving you more. It will keep developing it more. All right, now the next stage is voiceover, and for this we are going to make use of ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs will give you 10,000 credits for a month. That's for free. You can use the ElevenLabs link on the description bar of this video to get access to your credits on ElevenLabs. Now this is ElevenLabs. We're going to choose our voice from here. Just click here to choose your voice. We're going to search for conversational voiceovers. That's what suits this type of content. So I'm going to choose a male. I'm going to choose that. Now go ahead and copy your script and come to this place. By now you guys should know how to convert your audio, but if you are new to my channel, you might not really know about it. And for this boss, you can only paste 3,000 words, and my weight is 2,925. You can see it down here. So I'm going to hit generate speech.
A place where pallets are stacked, forklifts rumble, and workers keep to themselves. From above, there were no armed guards, no suspicious comings and goings, nothing that screamed cartel. That was the point. But if you stepped inside the building, and if you were one of the few men trusted enough to know where to look.
So it's giving us 2 generations. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Do you understand? Now our voiceover is ready. Now let's move to the next stage, which is the most important stage, creating our 3D images or 3D animations. Now first we'll create our image prompt, generate it, then convert it to video. Now for this, go back to my Google Docs and copy the second prompt, or will I say the third prompt? Yeah, the third prompt here, so that we can create our 3D image. Now copy the whole prompt and head over to ChatGPT again. Now paste it on ChatGPT this way, and go ahead and copy the first paragraph of your script. You have to be doing it first paragraph, second paragraph. Don't copy the whole thing at the same time, so that ChatGPT will be very accurate to give you whatever you want in each section, in each paragraph, just this way. Okay, so as soon as you paste it, you hit generate. If you copy the first paragraph, paste it under the prompt on this ChatGPT will do a nice job. You can see it here. ChatGPT will start giving you 10 image prompts for that section, for that paragraph. Now you can see the details that ChatGPT gave us: camera, lighting, mood, camera angle, and all that. Now we'll start generating these images. You copy the first one and tell ChatGPT to generate it. We are going to use ChatGPT to generate this image. ChatGPT will give us the best image that we want. Now paste it and tell it to generate it in 16:9. Generate in 16:9, just this way, to start generating. Now ChatGPT has given us the image. Please, you have to generate the images from the first one to the 10th one, and let me be honest with you, ChatGPT gave us the best image. You can try other applications, but ChatGPT is one that gave me the best one. Then after generating all your images, we are going to the next stage. You can also collect some images from Google. Please make sure that you get the copyright free ones. All right, you can search the news on Google and get the images there as well. Now to convert it to video, you can use Kling AI, you can use Leonardo AI, you can use Google Veo 3, but I want to show you Video AI. You can use Video AI as well. Now click on Video AI, go ahead and go with image to video, click on it, then import the image. Now let me use this one as an instance. Another thing is, if you are good in editing, you can just edit your image, animate it with maybe CapCut or InShot or any of your editing software. Now I'm going to say make it move, or you copy the same prompt and paste here, the prompt that you used to generate this image. Make it move. Now select the module, select 2.0, select 1 and hit on generate. Now they're going to give you some credit. My own, I'm out of credit. All right, but if you are not, you can use it and generate it and you have your video beautiful. After generating your video, the next stage is editing them. That is merging all the images and all the videos together. Now this is the key point. Make sure you download some sounds. There are some cinematic sounds that they use on the video. Listen to it. Go to Pixabay or Pixels and download these sound effects. I mean the sound effects. Once you download them, take them to your preferred editing software and edit them just the way you edit your videos. That's it. The key point here is your script. Make sure your script is very captivating. All right, so let's head over to editing it. So this is my CapCut. I'm going to keep adding all the videos and all the images that I generated, and then from here I'll add my sound effects, or you import from the one that you downloaded from Pixabay or Pixels. You add them together, add some kind of effect. Let me just add this thing. Let me get more. This is just for demo. All right, now you can just click here and add mix effects so that you can have a smooth transition as you are playing it. Remember, you have to convert your own to video. That's all. As soon as you are done, you export it. You are done with the video. That's it. It is very simple. Just tell me in the comment section if you are going to start this kind of niche. See you guys in my next video. Bye.